Hey guys, today we're gonna be tossing a fidget spinner with one finger. Hold the phone. And this is my cousin right there, the Sleeping Beauty. I'm not actually Sleeping Beauty. I was just tired.
Give me that phone.
And then that's his cousin over there. So 1, 2, 3. Oh, I messed up.
Watch.
Okay, basically we can't do it, huh? Oh, what should we do now?
Throw it. Me attempting a trick. My first ever trick I ever attempted.
Okay, bye guys.
No! It ain't my fault.